Welcome back to our monthly wrap-up where we like to delve into the ups and downs of the financial world. My name is Shiraz Ahmed from Sartorial Wealth. Let's grab your coffee and dive straight into May's financial roller coaster ride. It's been quite the journey, so buckle up and let's get started. Okay, kicking off with the stock market. May was like a seesaw ride, starting with a twist. The US jobs report came out weaker than expected, hinting at a possible economic chill. But hold your phone, despite the gloomy news, the stock market decided to throw a curveball and rally like never before. Major indices were all smiles and bond yields, well, they took a bit of a nosedive, hinting that maybe, just maybe, rate cuts might be on the horizon. Analysts are giving this a thumbs up for now, but they're keeping a keen eye for more data before popping the champagne. Mid-May brought surprises for the US stock market, hitting record highs. Yep, you heard that right. Economic data showed a slowdown in consumer spending and inflation, which basically soothed investors' nerves, leading to a full-blown market fiesta. And check this out. Meme stocks took a nosedive while companies banking on lower interest rates hit the jackpot. So it's like a financial Game of Thrones out there right now. Now, as the month drew to a close, turbulence hit the Dow, sending it into a bit of a tumble. Despite Nvidia's surge, a sense of uncertainty has lingered as many stocks have dipped. Brace yourselves for some regulatory shakeups. The SEC is eyeing Ether ETFs, while Live Nation is facing legal trouble, causing a nosedive in its shares. Plus, Bank of America predicts a slowdown in auto insurance costs, potentially impacting future rate decisions. And let's not overlook Boeing's rough patch, with shares dipping amid expectations of a cash burn. It's been quite a handful of a month. Now, shifting gears to interest rates, it's been a bit of a tale of patience and anticipation. Fed policymakers like Christopher Waller, Loretta Mester, and Susan Collins are playing it cool, waiting on concrete inflation data before making any rate cut moves. Despite inflation concerns, flexing their muscles, policymakers are preaching caution, fearing any sudden shifts could really rock the boat. But traders are eagerly eyeing potential rate cuts in September and December, akin to investors awaiting for eagerly anticipating news. Meanwhile, up north in Canada, it's all about inflation rates doing the limbo. April saw a slowdown to 2.7%, sparking rumors of rate cuts by the Bank of Canada. Groceries cooling down prices while rents and mortgages keep climbing up the charts, especially in Alberta. Economists are placing their bets on rate cuts coming in June or July. It's a waiting game until underlying inflation decides to play nice. Finance Minister Chrystia Freeland's cheering on the sidelines, while Conservative leader Pierre Poilievre's giving the government some side eye for inflation for not sticking to the playbook. It's really a real-life drama out there right now. Alright, last but not least, let's talk about the bricks and mortar. The Canadian home sales took a dip in April, but don't hit the panic button just yet. New listings are popping up like daisies, marking the start of the spring market extravaganza. Now, despite the sales dip, activity is still riding high compared to last year, thanks in part to Easter long weekend timing. Market conditions are doing the cha-cha, but with a balanced ratio and inventory levels not seen since the pandemic's early days. Prices are holding steadily across the board, with a few hotspots heating up in Calgary and Edmonton and Saskatoon. So, house hunters, keep your eyes peeled for the next Saria stats drop on June 17th. Alright, and there you have it, May's financial recap presented in its fair share of surprises and challenges, but noteworthy developments. But such is the nature of the market, always keeping us on our toes. Now, until our next update, please stay informed and stay prudent, and make sure that your financial endeavors hopefully yield success. I want to thank you for tuning in to the end of this video. If you find it helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button, as it really does help out the channel. Until next time, stay safe out there, you all. Bye for now.